they opened their eyes to find themselves in Coral Reef City, a breathtaking underwater kingdom teeming with vibrant coral.
Can you believe I created this entire kid's story using just one prompt? After a lot of research, I found an amazing way to create animated kids' story videos without all the hassle and high costs. Normally, you'd need separate tools for writing the story, generating images, animating those images, creating voiceovers, and then editing everything together. Plus, you'd be paying more than $70 a month for all those subscriptions. But today, I'm going to show you a single tool that does it all in one place. This tool lets you create all kinds of stories, kids' stories, adventure tales, horror stories, and so much more. And the best part is that it keeps your characters consistent throughout the entire story. Not only that, this tool lets you create 30-minute-long videos, and most importantly, these videos are monetizable on YouTube. So, stay tuned until the end of the video, and I'll show you how you can start making these amazing videos with just a few clicks. Alright, the tool we're using today is called Magic Light, and it's going to save you a lot of time and effort. With Magic Light, making story videos is really easy. All you have to do is give it a prompt, and it will do everything for you. To start, just click on the link in the description and sign up with your email. Once you've signed up, you'll see an interface that looks like this. As you can see, it has a simple and easy-to-use layout, so it's really easy to navigate. You can also check out the stories created by other users right here. Alright, now click on Create AI Video. It will open an interface that looks like this. As you can see, Magic Light has integrated the DeepSeek R1 model, an advanced AI technology. This powerful model helps with script breakdown, content expansion, AI-generated image prompts, and other key functions within Magic Light to give you even better results. This is the prompt section, where you can either type in a prompt or paste your own script if you already have one. For this video, I'm going to use a simple prompt. To come up with a good prompt, I'll use ChatGPT to get some creative ideas for our kid's story. Here's what you need to do. First, head over to our Discord server and copy the kid's story prompt from there. Then, paste that prompt into ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will write 3 amazing kids' stories for you. Take your time to read through them and pick the one you like the most. Once you've made your choice, just copy that story and paste it into the Magic Light prompt section. Next, you can select the aspect ratio from here. For this video, I'll choose the landscape option. After that, you can pick the video language from this section. I'm going to keep it in English. Now, it's time to select the style for your video. As you can see, there are several different styles available: 3D cartoon, Disney, comic, GTA, anime, and more. You can choose the one that fits your story best. For this video, I'm going with the Disney style option. Once you've selected, click on AI Generate. Now, the AI will create a story script, and when it's done, you'll see that the AI has divided the story into multiple scenes. Each scene will generate one image, which means the more lines in your script, the more scenes it will create. If you want to make any changes to the scenes, you can easily type your edits here. You can even split one scene into smaller scenes if you'd like. Keeping each scene around 3 to 4 seconds long is a great way to keep your viewers engaged and interested. Once you're satisfied with everything, click on Next. This will take you to the cast page, where you can select or create the characters for your video. This is one of the best features because it ensures you'll have consistent characters throughout the entire video, which makes your story look more professional. Now click on Edit Character. From here, you can either choose from the existing characters or create your own custom character. To create a new character, you'll need to give a prompt with the character's details. To make this easier for you, I've already created a character prompt. Just copy that prompt and paste it into our ChatGPT Story tab. ChatGPT will then analyze the story and give you detailed descriptions of how each character should look, including things like their appearance, clothing, and style. Once you get the character details from ChatGPT, copy them and paste them into Magic Light. Then click on Generate Image, and the AI will create the character based on those details. After the character is generated, select it and click Confirm. Repeat these steps for all the characters in your story. Once you've set up all your characters, click on Next to continue. Now, this is where you can edit your voiceover, images, background music, and animate your images. First, you can select the voiceover speed. I'm going to keep it at 0.9. Next, you can change the narrator's voice. There are several different voice options available, and to preview each voice, just click on the Audition button. Next up, you can choose the background music for your video. You can also adjust the volume of the music here if you want. I'll turn it down a little to make sure the voiceover stays clear. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see all the scene images that were generated. If you select a specific scene, you can also see the narration text for that scene. You can also see the prompt used to generate each image. If you're not happy with any of the scene images, just click the Regenerate button, and it will create a new free image for you. Once you're happy with everything, click on Generate Video, and the AI will automatically add some movement to each image to create your video. But if you want to take it to the next level, you can turn your images into videos with animations. To do this, just select a scene and click on the Animate button. From there, you can choose from different animation options. I'll go with the Animate Pro option. After that, you can give the animation a custom prompt if you want, or you can leave it up to the AI to automatically create the animation based on your scene. I'll select this AI option and click OK to let the AI handle it. The AI will start animating the image for you. Do this for all of your scene images. I'm just going to go through each scene and turn them into videos. And here's the result. As you can see, it looks really amazing. Now, from clicking here, you can preview the voiceover of each scene, and if you want, you can change the voice character too. Once everything done, click on Generate Video. If you want, you can also change the aspect ratio here. Then, you can choose whether you want to add subtitles or not. When you're ready, click OK, and the AI will start putting everything together to create your final video. Here's the final result.
Sam and Emma found an ancient conch shell on the beach. As they touched it, a shimmering light enveloped them, and they were suddenly pulled underwater by a powerful whirlpool. They opened their eyes to find themselves in Coral Reef City, a breathtaking underwater kingdom teeming with vibrant coral and glowing fish. Friendly dolphins greeted them, their clicks and whistles sounding like cheerful welcomes. A wise old sea turtle, Sheldon, explained that the city was in danger. The heart pearl, a magical gem keeping the ocean's balance, had been stolen by the evil sea sorcerer, Zarthus. Without it, Coral Reef City was slowly sinking. Emma, initially hesitant, found her courage growing alongside Sam's unwavering bravery. Sheldon guided them towards Zarthus's lair, a dark and foreboding cave filled with mysterious traps and menacing sea monsters. Sam, ever the brave one, fearlessly led the way, while Emma, sharp and quick-witted, deciphered ancient symbols on the cave walls, unlocking hidden passages. They navigated treacherous currents and dodged lurking creatures, their teamwork seamless and effective. Finally, they reached Zarthus's chamber. A tense standoff ensued. Zarthus, wielding his dark magic, tried to stop them, but Sam and Emma fought back, using their wits and courage. Emma cleverly used a coral branch to trip Zarthus, while Sam seized the heart pearl. With the heart pearl recovered, they returned to Coral Reef City. The city was saved, the ocean's balance restored, and the underwater kingdom rejoiced. Sam and Emma, once beachcombers, became heroes, their adventure a testament to the power of courage and teamwork.
That was pretty cool, right? Before, you had to do a lot of work to create one story. But with Magic Light, everything is much easier. All you need to do is give it a prompt, and it lets you customize everything the way you want. Also, you can use Magic Light to create any type of video you need. They give you some free credits to generate videos, but if you want to create content faster and at a higher level, I would recommend getting their subscription. As you can see, the price is just $10. It's pretty reasonable too. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out. If you need any help with this process, feel free to join our Discord server or Telegram channel to get support. You'll also find all the prompts we used there. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.